Hello guys, how are you all? Hope everyone fine good. Welcome back to our channel Shreembeautylandsalon, and today I wanna show you very important video. Please don't miss this video till watch end. This is my client full face wax facial hair removal. She face look like the man braid because she used applicator and hair is so thick, hard and curly and ingrown hairs too. She come to my salon first time and I provide the facial hair removal with the painless wax. Start first I use cleanser gel. Take little amount and apply full face massage 5 to 10 minutes because lots of ingrown hairs and the thicker hairs come down little normal, and then I used powder in the face because I want face dry, and I use the